Hello friends, as this year 2024 passes by and we step into the new year 2025, I take this opportunity to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being there for us, for patronizing our company AS Enterprises in the field of machinery for polyurethane foams. The year 2024 has been a remarkable year for our company as we just moved into a new factory. I'm delighted, my friends, to share with all of you that this new place is a state-of-the-art facility with over 100,000 square feet of factory area available with all amenities. I am very optimistic about this new place that we have just moved into. We plan to make a lot of new machinery, new types of equipment, which will be very useful for the foam industry and the mattress industry. I'd like to thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart, all our customers, associates, friends, and our strategic partners in India and abroad for always supporting us unconditionally. We hope that we can take this association forward into the next year, and I wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous 2025. Thank you and namaste.